Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a couple of different scenarios. So one of those is going to be if you have Disney Plus or the Disney bundle and you want to cancel your subscription or unsubscribe. I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'll also show you how you can switch if you currently have the Disney bundle and you want to downgrade to just Disney Plus. I'll also walk you through how to do that. So what you need to do is launch a browser and go to disneyplus.com. That'll take you to the page that I'm currently at. Then you need to log in to your Disney Plus account. So I'm going to do that right now. Once you're logged into your account, just select on your particular profile. And then that'll take you to this page. In the upper right-hand corner, there should be a picture of your profile. And go down and click where it says account. And then on your account page information, go down and click where it says billing details. And then go down and find where it says cancel subscription, select that option. It'll take you to a page where it tells you, are you sure you want to do this? And you can go back if you don't want to cancel it. And then it'll also tell you if you click cancel when your subscription will go until it's done. So you're going to get that full month. So then it takes you to your cancellation confirmation page. It says your subscription has been canceled. They've sent confirmation to my email, and then you're going to be able to watch your subscription until the end of a complete month. So whatever day that you subscribe to a month later is when it will end. So then it says, thank you kindly. We've successfully received your survey. Appreciate you very much. You can restart your subscription at any time after your billing cycle ends. We hope to meet you again in the near future. So now at this point, if you're one of those individuals who has the Disney bundle and you just want to downgrade to Disney Plus, what you need to do is wait until the end of the current cycle. And for me, that's going to be the 14th of December, 2019. At that point in time, you can just switch over and subscribe to Disney Plus by itself without the extras of Hulu and ESPN Plus. And then once your subscription has officially canceled on that date that we saw on the previous page, just make sure, again, you can go to your profile, click account. That takes you to your account page. And this is where you should be able to resubscribe to either Disney Plus or the Disney Plus bundle once the current month's billing period is over. So I hope this video was helpful in showing you how either you can go from a Disney bundle down to just a Disney Plus account, or if you're just looking to cancel your subscription altogether. I hope that these steps were helpful. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. I hope to see you guys back here for future videos.